Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you how to use Autoshapes on this device. First of all, let's just grab a quick screenshot. Here it is. Now let me open this screen, and for example, if you'd like to draw here, for example, heart, let me just change the color, and let me draw a heart. So if you hold it for a bit longer, here it is. As you can see, it's just automatically shaped. Then let me try to draw a star. Also, here it is. Obviously, a circle, triangle, and so on would work the same way. So this is it. This is how Autoshapes work here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.